Here's how you can set up Automation Center for the first time or as a returning user. This tutorial is organized into clear sections, so you can move directly to the part that's most relevant to you. To get started, go to MomentumAMP in the left navigation, then click Automation Center. If this is your first time using it, you might see a banner in the top right asking you to connect your email to do that. Hover over your username and click User Settings. Here you'll see options such as Gmail, Exchange, or Custom IMAP. In this demo, we'll use Gmail. You might also notice two buttons, Connect and Connect for others. Connect means linking an email to your own user account, while Connect for others allows you to use your email to connect accounts for other users. For this demo, we'll use Connect for myself. When the Google OAuth prompt appears, check all necessary permissions and proceed. Your connected email should then appear in the list. If you have multiple emails, you can set one as default by clicking the three dots on the right. Select Make Default. You may also disconnect an email from the same menu. If you want to set up SMS for your SMS touchpoints, head to Communications, then click Text Messaging. The left navigation layout may look a little different for you. Once set up, your SMS configuration will automatically be detected inside Automation Center next. Let's update your profile. Your profile includes your profile picture, business phone number, time zone, and dialing code. If you want to upload a photo, optional but recommended, click Upload and choose an image below 2 megabytes. We also recommend updating your business phone and time zone so your email and SMS touchpoints align with your correct schedule. To set up your email signature, go to User Settings and click Email Settings. Here you can set your email display name, which is what recipients will see in the Sender field. Note that Microsoft Exchange or Outlook does not support custom display names. Below that, you can design or paste your existing email signature. Since editors vary between software, you may see slight formatting differences. Adjust as needed. You can also choose to automatically add this signature to all outgoing emails by toggling Yes, then clicking Save. To set up unsubscribe links, click the Unsubscribe tab and toggle. Add unsubscribe to all outgoing emails. This automatically adds a link at the bottom of every email so customers can unsubscribe. If you'd like to define your business hours, you can do that in User Settings. Set your open and close times for each day of the week and toggle days on or off depending on your schedule. You can also set your agency holidays, go to Admin Settings and click the Holidays tab. Add holidays using the plus icon and name them accordingly. You may also choose to pause sending emails during these dates. Just make sure any campaigns you create later do not conflict with these holiday settings. That's it. You've now set up Momentum Automation Center for first-time use or as a returning user.